Today, we'll learn some of the interesting facts of tigers about their appearance, their species, how do they hunt, and where do they live in the wild. Why do tigers have stripes on their bodies? Tigers are the only big cats to have stripes, and individuals can be identified by their pattern. But when it comes to the predatory adaptations, you wouldn't expect a coloration of bright orange and the black strips to be on the top list. In fact, it might not be on the top list at all. However, while we see tigers in zoo conspicuous against the green vegetations in their enclosures, they may prey is ungulates which cannot detect the range of colors that we primates can. To an animal with comparatively poor vision, the cat's bold, contrasting colors are much harder to pick out in the long grasses. This method of camouflage is an important predatory adaptations, whereas some large wineries rely on cooperative hunting such as lions or bursts of intense speed such as cheetahs. Tigers are semi-solitary and depend on the cryptic appearance to ambush prey. What do tigers eat? Tigers are carnivorous mammals and they mostly eat large prey like deer, wild boar, and even elephant calves. And yes, they have occasionally been known to kill and eat people too. This usually happens only when a tiger is old, ill, or injured and therefore unable to catch their normal prey. But once a tiger has the taste for human meat, they often have to be killed to protect the local people. How do tigers hunt? A tiger's favorite way of taking down its prey is to lunge at the animal's neck and hold on tight with its powerful jaws. The prey will normally die from suffocation, but some might bleed out first if the tiger's canine sever an artery. Is the tiger the world's biggest cat? Tigers are the biggest cat in the wild. Yes. Male tigers can grow over 3 meters long and weigh up to 300 kg, while female tigers tend to be a bit smaller. However, another big cat has been bred in the captive that's even larger. If you breed a male lion with a female tiger, you get a liger. These truly enormous cats have no equal in the modern world, growing up to 3.6 meters long and being considerably heavier than even the biggest tigers, the largest living cats. Hercules the liger weighs close to 420 kg and the record is staggering 550 kg. Where do tigers live? Tigers are relatively adaptable and historically lived across huge swaths of Asia. There are now a very few in Southeast Asia, but they are doing relatively well in India, Nepal, Russia, and Bhutan. Tiger habitats vary by region, with the large tigers of colder northern regions like the Siberian tigers living in the brutal taiga, while the smaller tigers from warmer regions can happily live in arid forest, tropical rainforest, and the flooded researchers swamplands and the fact that India holds around half of the world's remaining wild tigers. There are several Indian national parks that are renowned for the frequent tiger sightings, including Bandhgawa, Ranthambore, and Kanha national parks. Why do tigers have spots on their ears? Tigers have white spots surrounded by black fur on the back of the ears. It has been suggested that they can act as false eyes to warn of the presence of discourage other species from attacking them from behind. Other theories suggest that it could help tiger cubs follow their mother through the tall grasses. Do tigers like water? Tigers do not shy away from water and enjoy bathing in streams and lakes to escape the heat in the hot climates. What's life like for the baby tiger? In the tall grasses, rock crevices, or the caves, tiger cubs are born blind and depend on their mother for protection. Females usually give birth to 2 or 3 cubs but can have as many as 6. Each litter has a dominant cub who is more active than the siblings and take the lead in their play. This sibling is usually the first to leave its mother. After 15 months, the matured cubs will disperse and fight their own territory. How long do tigers live for? In the wild, the tigers have 14 years lifespan. Once mature, they will spend most of the time living and hunting alone, with the exceptions of female when they are raising their young ones. How big is the tiger's territory? The range of these big cats can be between 20 kilometers to 400 kilometers. Tigers in the cold northern regions tend to have the largest territories. Scent marking allows tigers to communicate with other tigers in the range, and scratching paws are also useful communicating tools, as well as helping them to keep their claws sharp. Can tigers see in the dark? Tigers have night vision that is 6 times better than of humans, which can help them hunt successfully in the dark. A tiger will mainly hunt pigs and deer, which is capable of taking its prey larger than itself. How many tigers are left in the world? The surviving tiger subspecies are the Siberian tigers, South China tiger, Sumatran tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Malayan tiger, and the Bengal tiger. It is believed that between all of those subspecies, there are only 3,000 to 4,500 individuals left in the world. The Javan tiger and the Bali tiger are sadly both thought to have been hunted to extinction. They are most closely related to Sumatran tiger, and may have even been some subspecies which is still clinging on the Indonesia. Why are tigers endangered? One of the saddest facts about tigers is that land development has led to around 96% of the tiger's natural range being lost in the past 100 years. Tigers are also being illegally hunted for their body parts such as bones, teeth, skin, to fuel the growing demand for the remedies made from the tiger parts in Asia. How big is the tiger's territory? The range of these big cats can be between 20 kilometers to 400 kilometers. Tigers in the cold northern regions tend to have the largest territories. Scent marking allows tigers to communicate with other tigers in the range, and scratching paws are also useful communicating tools, as well as helping them to keep their claws sharp. Can tigers see in the dark? Tigers have night vision that is 6 times better than of humans, which can help them hunt successfully in the dark. A tiger will mainly hunt pigs and deer, which is capable of taking its prey larger than itself. How many tigers are left in the world? The surviving tiger subspecies are the Siberian tigers, South China tiger, Sumatran tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Malayan tiger, and the Bengal tiger. It is believed that between all of those subspecies, there are only 3,000 to 4,500 individuals left in the world. Are tigers kept in captivity outside zoos? As well as being illegally poached in the wild, tigers can still be illegally farmed for their body parts in China. International trade in tiger parts is banned, but it's a different story domestically, where there is a high demand for luxury rugs, tiger skin accessories, tiger bones, wine, and traditional medicines which have been never shown to work.